This guy took the typical brain-dead trend, those Italian meme animals, and actually turned it into something smart. Like he made it mean something, and the best part? He used this absurd little character called Tung 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 Sahur. Yes, that's the actual name. It sounds like a sound effect, but trust me, it works. This dude wasn't just chasing views. He used that weird wooden guy to tell short stories that were actually relatable. Daily routines, struggles, awkward moments, wins, losses, you name it. And somehow, they hit hard and got millions of views. So I thought, why not try it? But better, let's not just make viral videos. We're gonna make videos that people feel. And I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. You don't need fancy tools or editing skills. If you can copy and paste, you're good. We'll use AI to generate the ideas, the visuals, the sound, all of it. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your own viral short videos with Tung 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 Sahur that actually teach, inspire, or just make someone's day. If that sounds cool, hit like, smash subscribe, let's get into it. Step 1, the actual first move, is to go to Chat GPT and type in this prompt. I'm gonna put it in the description of this video, just copy and paste it. This prompt requests 5 emotionally exaggerated and value-driven short video concepts for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, featuring an AI-generated wooden character named Tung 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 Sahur in relatable daily scenarios. That's it. Paste that in and let it cook. What you'll get back is gold. 5 solid short film ideas, each one broken down into specific image-worthy scenes that follow a beginning, middle, and end. Each scene is time-stamped and built for visuals. This makes your job super easy when you go to generate the actual footage. Okay, now that we've got our scenes, it's time to bring them to life. We're going to use a tool called Vidu. I've tested a bunch of these AI video generators, and most of them either make your character look like it's melting, or they randomly change your character's face between scenes. Not helpful. But Vidu, surprisingly legit. It lets you generate high-quality videos where your character actually looks the same across clips. Go to vidu.com and log in. You'll see 4 tools right on the dashboard: reference to video, image to video, text to video, and AI sound effects. We're using reference to video because that's the only one that keeps our character locked in from scene to scene. Also, we're using the newest model, Vidu Q1, because it generates high-quality videos. Now, before you generate anything, you need to create what they call a reference. Click on here. This can be a photo of the character, an object, a background, whatever. From here, you can see the other references created by the community. In our case, I grabbed a clean photo of Tung 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 Sahur off Google. Nothing fancy. I saved the image. Next, upload the image into Vidu. You can upload up to 3 images if you want, but honestly, one good one is fine. Then name your reference, call it Tung Tung Sahur, and give it a tag. The name or tag is what you'll use when prompting later on, so make it simple and memorable. Once that's done, hit next, confirm everything, and boom, you've got a reusable character ready to go. From now on, every time you make a new video, just go to references, pick the character, and click done. Vidu remembers the tag, so all you have to do is drop your scene prompt in and hit create. Easy. You can upload up to 7 images here, stuff like a background, extra characters, or props like a torch if you want more control over the scene. But honestly, you can just prompt that stuff in. For this video, I'm keeping it simple. Tung 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 Sahur only, no extras. Alright, now that our character is ready and our prompt ideas are locked in, let's actually make a scene. I'm going back to Chat GPT and grabbing one of the ideas it gave me. Let's say it's called the 5 a.m. productivity lie. Don't get me wrong, waking up early can be powerful if it works for you. So here's what we do next. I take the first scene prompt from that story, just the actual description, not the title or the character name, and I paste it straight into Vidu's prompt box. Now by default, Vidu already fills in most of the settings for you, but we're going to tweak some important things real quick. First, the movement amplitude. That controls how much motion is in your scene. I usually set it to medium. Second, the aspect ratio. Since we're making vertical videos for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, change that to 9:16. Now here's a cool thing. Vidu lets you generate up to 4 scenes at once. For now, I will keep it 1 and hit create. Boom, it starts rendering. And here's the wild part. It's free right now. If you time it right and use off-peak mode, you're not burning any credits. It usually takes somewhere between 1 to 4 minutes to finish a clip, but most of the time it's done in under a minute. All right, once that first video scene is done, you just do the same thing again. Seriously, go back to ChatGPT, grab the next scene from your video idea, copy it, hop back into Vidu, and paste it into the prompt box. Hit create, done. You don't need to wait around for each one to finish before starting the next. That's the beauty of this workflow. You can queue up all your scenes one after the other. So instead of generating one, then sitting there, then generating the next, you just load them all in back to back. By the time you've queued up 6 or 8 clips, the first one's probably already done. It's basically a little production line of AI-generated drama. And here's the best part. If you're doing this during Vidu's off-peak hours, you can generate all of these for free. No credits burned, no wallet crying. You've got a full short film cut into clean individual scenes for free. That's it. Copy, paste, queue, repeat. Don't overthink it. All right, so now you've got all your scenes downloaded from Vidu. What do you do with them? Time to stitch it all together in CapCut. Open up CapCut, start a new project, and give it a name. Call it whatever you want. Next, import all your clips and drag them onto the timeline in the right order. Just follow the scene sequence you got from ChatGPT earlier. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Keep it clean. Now let's make it flow. CapCut gives you tons of transitions, but honestly, don't overcomplicate it. I usually just slap on one clean transition between each scene. Something subtle, no spinning cubes or Star Wars wipes, alright? This isn't a PowerPoint presentation. Next, add sound effects to each scene. Stuff like subtle whooshes, clicks, footsteps, or emotional stings. This takes a little longer but adds polish. You can keep it simple. Drop one background audio track across the whole video. Just make sure it doesn't overpower the visuals. Once it all feels smooth, export your video in high quality. Now sit back, hit play, and watch your weird little wooden character come to life.
Yeah!
The only difference between you and the people going viral, they actually hit publish. So stop overthinking it, start creating. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, or just drop a comment and let me know you're making something. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching.